Hello my amiable students. Today we'll be dealing with temperate climate. When we say temperate climate is the climatic condition that is found within the subtropical region and the temperate region. We have warm climate conditions extended into three parts depending on where they are along the continent. So when we say western margin, that means that side is on the west coast of that continent. Eastern margin means that zone or those areas are within the east coast of that continent. When we say continental or temperate continental, that means that climatic belt is in the interior or is in the center of that continent. It is landlocked area in that continent. So the temperate climates that we have, will be starting first with the warm temperate climate, because the temperate climate is divided into two parts: warm temperate climate and cool temperate climate. So for warm temperate climate, the first climatic subvariant is warm temperate climate western margin type, which is the Mediterranean climate type. So it is located within latitude 30 to 45 degrees within the subtropical area on the western coast of the Mediterranean shores. They also have it in southwest in the Cape area of South Africa, Central California, Central Chile, and Southwest Australia. The characteristics of this subvariant of warm climate, like other temperate zones, has 4 seasons: winter, autumn, spring, and summer. Is mostly noticeable for its dryness in the summer and rainy in winter. Temperatures are 18 degrees and below towards the coast. So areas that are around the water has temperatures that are less than 18 degrees Celsius. Precipitations range from 400 to 1000 millimeters of rainfall, which is mainly in winter, and we have snow in higher altitudes. Insolation or sunshine increases in summer. Then the wind are mainly onshore westerlies. Then there is depression that occurs and causes frontal rainfall due to the interaction of the westerlies and the polar easterlies. Depression means occultation of two different air masses, like the westerlies that is coming from the land and easterlies that is coming from the polar region, which is colder. They tend to confront one another and then cause frontal rainfall. Then we move on to the second subvariant, which is warm continental climate type. Warm temperate continental climate type is found in the interior of the areas of the mid-latitude, especially in Veg in South Africa. They also have the basins of Australia and other areas like northern Mexico. Temperatures are 26 degrees in summer and less than 10 in winter. Then, like other temperate regions, it has 4 seasons. Rainfall is mostly in summer, while in winter there is coolness. Then its rainfall range from 400 to 750 millimeters of rainfall. Wind in this zone are variable winds. We have winds like westerlies, southern easterlies, and local winds. Then moving on to warm temperate margin. The warm temperate eastern margin is found in the subtropical Asian areas like central China, southeast of United States of America, South Brazil, eastern Argentina, southeast Africa, and southeast Australia. Its seasons, like others in the temperate regions, are 4 seasons. Temperatures range from 26 degrees Celsius to less than 16 degrees Celsius in winter. Rainfall are mainly conventional and variable due to the temperature that are higher than 26 degrees centigrade. Its rainfall range from 500 to 1000 millimeters of rainfall due to its winds that are also variable winds. So in China, we have monsoon winds like westerlies from the western area in winter. In central China, we have winds like typhoon, while in United States of America, we have hurricane. Local winds are winds like pampas of Argentina and busters in Australia. Let's now go to the cool temperate areas. Cool temperate climate. The first variant is cool temperate climate western margin, which is found in Britain. So we refer to that as the Britain or British type. Locations are within 45 degrees and 60 degrees north of the equator and 45 degrees in the southern hemisphere. Seasons that are 4 are well demarcated and differentiated from one another. Its temperatures range from 17 degrees in summer and 7 to 2 degrees Celsius in winter. Precipitations range from 300 and below in mostly rain that occur in spring, but has higher precipitation in winter in the form of snow. Sunshine increases in summer and decrease in winter. Relative humidity is all year round as the area is moist, either snowy or rainy. The wind in cool temperate western margin, the British type, is mostly westerlies, but they are very persistent and they increase in winter. Then the second variant of cool temperate climate is the continental type, which is found around latitude 35 degrees to 60 degrees in the interior of Eurasia and American area, like in southeast Canada, north central and midwestern United States, central and eastern Europe, and western former Soviet Republic. Its seasons are 4 seasons. Temperature varies from 18 degrees to 2 degrees Celsius in winter. Or precipitation is mostly in rainfall from 400 to 600 in summer and more in snow form during winter. Insolation decreases in winter and increases during the summer. Relative humidity increases in summer. Wind always comes from the west and is persistent and strong in winter. There is also depression that causes frontal occultation in the area due to the interaction of western and eastern winds. The last variant in the cool temperate climate is the cool temperate eastern margin, which is referred to as the Laurentine type. This type is found in 35 degrees to 60 degrees in the American and Eurasia areas, and 40 degrees in South America in the southern hemisphere, especially on eastern side of the continent. We have maritime areas of this eastern side like maritime Canada, United States areas of the New England states, and North China, North Japan, and Korea. It has well demarcated 4 seasons of prolonged winter. Temperatures range from 27 to 3 degrees, and temperatures are higher in this order during summer due to ocean currents that are offshore in the area, while precipitations range from 400 to 1000 in rainfall and snowing in winter. Because of the higher temperatures, rainfall are both continental and cyclonic in nature. That means they are either caused by excess sunlight that leads to evaporation, or by frontal occultation of different wind forms. Sunshine hours increases in summer and decreases in winter, while relative humidity is all year round. Wind are variable winds. We have in the North America westerlies wind from the continental interior, which brings increased snowfall in winter as they pick up moisture from the Great Lake of America, while in the summers ocean westerlies bring rainfall to the coastlines in this area. Then the deserts that are found either in cool temperate region or these temperate regions also have seasonal effects of 4 seasons. But like other deserts in the world, they are characterized with scanty rainfall and scariated surfaces and lack of surface vegetation due to heat and excessive dryness. So we have Turkestan Desert, Kahasjat Desert, and Gobi Desert, which are deserts that are found in the temperate region. So with this, we come to the end of this class or lesson. So in our next lesson, we'll be talking about cold climate or tundra climate. So watch the video and look at the content page very critically so that you can be able to answer the quiz questions and other assignment questions that will be posed to you. I wish you the best.